Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome back. I hope all you are well and safe. I am Hasina Afroz, Assistant Professor, Department of Home Science, Milestone College. Our today's discussion on Chapter 9. The chapter is Retarded Child. Our today's topic is identification of retardation. From this topic, you can able to know identification of physical retardation, identification of intellectual disability, some disease related intimately with retardation. If retardation can be identified immediately after birth of a child, then it can be possible to reduce retardation by taking proper precaution measures, or it is possible to save the child from severe retardation. In babyhood, if any symptoms mentioned in the following are seen, then you have to understand that there are possibilities of retardation in the child. To become certain about the matter, you must take suggestions from doctor. Identification of physical retardation. Many of the physical retardation can be understood by seeing the child after birth. Some physical retardation are expressed with the development of a child. Cleft lip is one kind of physical retardation. Same cleft palate, telepage, spinal bifida, cerebral palsy, absence of defined limbs of the body or deformed structure. These are physical retardation. What is cleft lip? In this case, the upper lip is not formed properly. There remains a gap in the lip, so it creates problems of taking food and speaking. Then cleft palate. Look at the picture. Here, the bone of palate of upper side of the mouth and muscles do not form properly. For that reason, in taking food, speaking, and hearing problem. Telepage. What is telepage? In this case, one or both legs are bended inside or behind. Spina bifida. The bone of a spinal cord is not attached properly. As a result, spinal fluid comes out and swells in backside, and it looks like a tumor or bag. It creates problem to walk. Look at the picture. The pictures show the disease. Cerebral palsy. In this case, many times during birth, the newborn child seems slack or tardy. With the age of the child cannot move his hands and legs like other children. That means like other normal children or healthy children. To raise the head, to sit, etc. becomes slow. It becomes uncomfortable to suck or swallow milk. Absence of defined limbs of the body or deformed structure. The child is born without limbs or incomplete limbs of the body. That means no hands or legs, no finger, or incomplete growth of finger. the physical shape of the body may deform. এই ডিজিজগুলোর ক্ষেত্রে দেখা যায় যে মাদার যে মেডিসিন গ্রহণ করেন, এই মেডিসিন গ্রহণে প্রবলেম থাকলে এই ধরনের প্রবলেম দেখা যায়। অনেক সময় ক্রোমোজোমের কারণে এই লিম্বগুলো ডিফর্ম হয় অথবা লিম্বের অ্যাবসেন্স দেখা যায়। Identification of intellectual disability. Intellectual disability is one type of inability, and the nature of this inability is permanent. There is no treatment for this type of retardation. But behavior of children can be improved by proper nurturing and learning. So, we should arrange proper care and learning by identifying it quickly and show sympathetic behavior towards the child. But all the intellectually disabled are not same. Intellectually retarded child can be identified by seeing some of the characteristics of the following: the development of walking, movement, sitting, speaking, etc. are less compared to his age. The child cannot give attention in any matter, cannot understand any directive easily. Same directions have to be given repeatedly. The child cannot take any learning easily. Even learning of toilet training cannot take easily. Cannot do any kind of sharp words. Shows unwanted behavior. Cannot mix with peers. Cannot show social behavior properly. Friends frequently and shows convulsion. There are some diseases related intimately with retardation: microcephaly, hydrocephaly, Down syndrome, cretinism. These are related with intimately intellectual disability. Intellectual disability can be identified easily by seeing some disease related intimately with retardation. Macrocephaly. The size of the head is abnormally small. They are severely retarded. Question হতে পারে, what is microcephaly? Microcephaly is one kind of disease which is intimately related with intellectual disability. In this case, the size of the head is abnormally small and they are severely retarded. What is hydrocephaly? Liquid gathered inside the head, so the size of the head becomes abnormally big. They are also severely retarded. Then Down syndrome. It is also intimately related with intellectual disability. In this case, we see round face, sharp eyes, and eyelids become thick. The child is weak and slack or loose at the moment of birth. Head, feet, and shoulder become short. To turn turtle, so sit, and to walk are delayed and they are intellectually retarded. Then criticism. The physical and mental development is delayed in this case. The production of thyroid hormone is less in the body of child. For this reason, which symptoms are seen? The child develops slowly, forehead is small, faces and hands are swollen, and intellectual retardation remains. I think you understand this topic. Learn the topic properly, look at your book, and get ready for your exam. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.